it's time to cloud up. Let's test your Azure identity, access, and security skills. Question 1. Which Azure service is used to manage access to resources? The answer is Azure Active Directory, as Azure Active Directory provides identity management and access control to Azure resources. Question 2. What is the role of Azure Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA? The answer is enhances user authentication, as Azure MFA adds an additional layer of security by requiring more than one form of verification. Question 3. Which of the following is a benefit of Azure Active Directory? The answer is manages user identities and access, as Azure Active Directory is used to manage user identities and control access to Azure resources. Question 4. Which feature in Azure helps protect applications from unauthorized access? The answer is Azure Identity Protection, as Azure Identity Protection helps prevent identity-related security threats like account compromise. Question 5. How does Azure Role-Based Access Control, RBAC, help in security? The answer is by assigning specific roles to users, as RBAC in Azure allows administrators to assign specific roles and permissions to users, limiting access. Question 6. What is the purpose of Azure Key Vault? The answer is to store and manage keys securely, as Azure Key Vault is used for storing and managing cryptographic keys and secrets securely. Question 7. Which Azure service is used to secure web applications? The answer is Azure Security Center, as Azure Security Center provides unified security management, helping to protect web applications. Question 8. What is the main use of Azure Identity Protection? The answer is to detect and prevent identity risks, as Azure Identity Protection helps detect and prevent identity-related risks and threats. Question 9. How does Azure Conditional Access enhance security? The answer is by enforcing security policies based on conditions, as Azure Conditional Access enforces policies that apply conditions like location and device compliance. Question 10. What does Azure Active Directory B2B allow organizations to do? The answer is allow guest users to access resources, as Azure AD B2B allows organizations to securely grant access to resources for guest users from external organizations. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe skillr.com.